Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior and excellent off-road capability and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, braking assist, power brakes, traction control, airbags, front knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, child safety locks. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.